What is up, everybody? It's your boy Steady Chaos. So it is early Sunday morning, and this is really the only opportunity I've had all weekend where the kids and the wife are still in bed for me to do this unboxing. So I have been looking for this product, probably as many of you have been looking for this product for what, 3 or 4 months now. This product officially launched in September of 2020 and has been incredibly scarce and hard to find. And by now you probably know what I'm speaking about. It is indeed the RTX 3080. Yes. This bad boy. It's heavy. It's got some heft. But yesterday morning was Saturday morning, and I stopped in Best Buy really early in the morning for shits and giggles. They had one RTX 3080 Founders Edition left on their shelf at MSRP. And I was like, holy cow, I have to jump on this, because I've been, I wouldn't say scouring the internet, but I'd say at least every day I check nowinstock.net. I check, Best Buy, various vendors to see if they have any stock of the 3080, 3090, even the 3070. They're all sold out. So this device has been incredibly hard to come by. So I wanted to take a quick 5 minutes to do a quick unboxing for you guys and then a quick installation and fire her up. All right, let's do it right now. I'm pretty excited. So yeah, this package is really, really tight. The top of the box, I had a hell of a time cutting off the sides here and just lifting it off. So I had to struggle with that for a minute, but we finally got it. So here it is. Lift it off. Oh yes. Wow, look at this graphics card. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. This is the best looking GPU I've ever seen in person, bar none. I currently have the RTX 2080 Super from EVGA in my PC over there, and this thing is just, with the kind of monochromatic finish and the silver metal bracing around the sides here and the black fan, just the no nonsense RTX 3080 lettering. It's a beautiful card. Wow, man, is it heavy. It's got some significant heft to it, man. I feel like you would probably want, or I'm probably gonna need some kind of bracket for this GPU to prevent any kind of GPU sag in my PC, because this thing has got some weight to it. So it makes me wonder how heavy exactly the 3090 would be. That thing would be a beast, I imagine. But yeah, what a really attractive GPU all the way around. I really like the color tone, that gunmetal silver. It just yells of high quality premium, no nonsense. And what's really exciting about this GPU is the HDMI 2.1. That's what has me most excited. As you guys can see, I am running an LG C10 with HDMI 2.1 ports. So having finally a GPU that allows me to do 4K 120 with RGB 444 and HDR10 all at the same time is a really exciting prospect for PC gaming. So yeah, let's pop her in, shall we? So you guys can really get a difference in size between the RTX 2080 Super and the RTX 3080. It's not a huge difference, honestly. Obviously, the difference is much more dramatic between the 2080 and the 3090. But where it's a big difference, in my opinion, is the heft. The 3080 is significantly heavier than the 2080 Super. I'd say at least double the weight, at least. So there's a big difference there. But also, again, in the appearance, look at the appearance of this card compared to the appearance of this 2080 Super. Look at that. The 3080 is just infinitely better looking. It's not even remotely close. It looks so much better. All right, guys, and here she is, fully installed. What a sexy beast this RTX 3080 is. And you can see, I didn't realize I had a little bit of bias lighting there. You can see that V-shaped lighting, and the GeForce RTX logo is lit up in kind of like a whitish, almost light blue color. But yeah, very, very attractive looking. Looks great in my system. And is pretty stable, even without a sag bracket. I don't notice any real sag. Do you guys see anything? I don't. And I've installed some aftermarket fans here for additional ventilation. So a couple at the top here to vent out. And then a couple additional here on the rad to help push air through. And then one down here to help push air up on the GPU. So there is plenty of ventilation. The only downfall right now is that the CPU is currently on the carpet. You really don't want that, but given my setup right now, I just don't have enough room otherwise, but I do plan on buying some kind of short stand to put it on so that at least I protect myself from, you know, cat hair or dust mites or whatever. So we'll do that soon. But yeah, so far so good with the RTX 3080. A bit of a pain to install. I had to gain access to my PSU and pull it all out and, you know, put some new wires in here to fit the two 8-pin connectors and then that one connector here, but otherwise it really wasn't too bad. So anyway guys, over the next few weeks, look forward to some PC gameplay with the RTX 3080, as we are definitely going to put this card through its paces. Alright guys, hopefully you have enjoyed this short unboxing and installation video of the RTX 3080. If you have, please let me know, please leave a comment down below, and please subscribe if you can. Alright guys, later.